Hello, everyone. This is Eric Dixon, President and CEO of UMass Memorial Healthcare. 2020 has been a very challenging year for all of us. Most will remember it as the year of the coronavirus pandemic, but not me. I'll remember it as the year of the caregiver, the year when our country recognized just how essential our healthcare workers are. The year when 14,000 caregivers from across UMass Memorial came together and went above and beyond the call of duty to take care of our communities when they needed us most. I could not be prouder of you. This video is a tribute to you, our caregivers at UMass Memorial Healthcare. Now let's play that video.
It's been said that everyone stands for something. But the truth is, a fact of life is, that not everyone can always stand for themselves. At least not by themselves. There are times when circumstances can drive the strongest of us to our knees, and it's hard to stand when you're on your knees. There are times when a diagnosis can turn a family's world upside down. And how do you stand up when you're just trying to hold on? And when we find ourselves in unthinkable times, when it seems that the whole world is in need of a miracle, who stands up then? Who takes the reins and shows the world how to create miracles out of compassion, commitment, blood, sweat, tears, and team? We are UMass Memorial Healthcare. We were built to stand for others, to provide the strength, the knowledge, the resources, the healing, the compassion, and cures to help those who need us, not just stand, but withstand even against all odds. For the child who has been diagnosed with cancer, we stand for hope. For the mother who's been told there is no hope of a life-saving transplant, we stand for life. For those who need help for which they can't pay, we stand up and we stand in the gap. For a region whose economic health and social well-being depends not just on the job we do, but on the jobs we provide, we stand. Not just for something, but for everyone. Our mission is to ensure that every person who lives within reach is touched by the power we provide to keep them healthy and to treat them when they're not. Our vision is to be great in every definition of the word, to provide everyone with the best we have to give, our hearts, our minds, and the greatest medicine available in the world. For generations, we've delivered the community's babies and delivered for the region's infants who've needed the highest level of care. We're here, always here, from trauma to triumph. For decades, we've healed hearts, given second chances, standing beside those struggling with addiction, standing for those in need of emotional and mental support. Providing the best of medicine's best when people needed us most. We don't just provide the community with great doctors. We stand with a revered medical school, creating great doctors for the region and the world. We stand on knowledge and innovation and research. We create treatments and cures where there were none before. And more people are coming from farther away than ever to receive the help that we provide. Today, we are a collection of some of the greatest specialists in the world. Men and women who specialize in every aspect of clinical care. People who specialize in kindness, who specialize in going the extra mile and doing the right thing because it's the right thing to do. Together, we form a special team with hospitals, clinics, and community physicians through Worcester, Leominster, Fitchburg, Clinton, Marlborough, and the region. to bring health and healing to the communities we serve and next generation medicine to the world. If it can be done, we do it. If it can't, we change it, we create it, and make it possible. This is who we are. This is what we do. This is what we stand for. Everyone, every day, relentlessly. UMass Memorial Healthcare.